Hello teacher, my name is Jackie Garcia Solano. I am a student of the major in foreign languages with emphasis in English, and I'm going to present the English consonant sounds according to the International Phonetic Alphabet. I will present each sound and then the production of each sound, and then I will give an example. The first is P, P, and the example is pie. As in fun. T, t, as in toy. As in think. Ch, as in chair. S, as in sun. Sh, as in show. K, k, as in key. V, as in boy. As in very. D, as in dog. As in this. J, as in jump. Z, as in zoo. As in vision. G, as in gift. As in home. As in map. As in nice. As in thing. As in run. As in let. W, as in way. Y, as in yes. Well, those were the correct production of the consonant sounds. Thank you very much for your attention.